Hello YouTube, this is going to be my first video of doing instructions to fix your Lada, upgrades, or any other tips and tricks I can give you. I have pretty much the information I need. I have repair manuals from Sweden, in Swedish. This bookshelf contains catalogs of parts and accessories and pretty much everything you need. As you can see, I have a lot of parts in my house, like pretty rare grill to have to 2103. This is my collection of things like commercial papers for Lada and some toy cars, a glass. This is a fun book to read. There's a new newspaper in Sweden that's called Expressen, and they tested the Lada 2103 for 20,000 miles. That's most of the Lada parts in my room, or information catalogs and things like that. I am a bit new to this, so don't blame me. I will try to explain as good as I can. Guys, today, as usual with the Lada, I have problems. I have carburetor problems, generator problems, just fixed a water pump problem. The roof leaks in somewhere, can't find it. I didn't use too little glue around the corners. I used as much as I could. I think this maybe be the problem. You want to go down all the way, so water goes in somewhere here. It's surprising after 45 years of existing and it still works. It's not the original engine, it's made after 1990s, I think. Wait, yeah, it says made in Russia, not made in Soviet Union. Today I got my package for my Lada. I will take it inside, see what's in it, and see if any of the parts I got damaged on the postage. Okay, so now inside I'm going to get a knife and go through. See here, I have got. We'll keep it. Not going to use it because I like it. So as you can see, it seems everything is fine as far as I can see. I'm no expert, but I guess this is the window regulators. I guess. No, this must be the window regulators, because that was heavy as hell. Yeah. See here, we have, I guess, two in one package, and one Wonderbaum that I will keep for my collection.